Hey guys, my name is Everett. I'm just kind of shooting a video. This is the first video of a series of videos I'm going to have about my quadricep tendon rupture. Today is surgery day, so it's about 6:30 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to head out. Got to drop the kids off to the sitter, and my wife's gonna take me up to the surgery center. So a little bit about me and what happened. As what's happened to most people that I've seen in other videos, I took a fall and heard pop, and was in extreme pain, but thought it was something I could heal from on my own. Turns out 2 or 3 months later, it wasn't healing. I mean, the pain subsided, but I still wasn't able to run. I wasn't able to do squats or do anything in the gym with my legs. I was in pain for probably a whole month. And finally, I got an MRI and showed that I had a 80% tear. So that was the only reason I was able to walk at all, is because I still had that 20% of tendon left. I kind of show you. Now it is surgery day, keep in mind, so my legs are gonna be ashy. They ask that I do not put on any lotion or anything on the day of surgery. So I'll show you the bad leg and the good leg. So here's the good leg. I don't know if you can see that well. Fires up good. See the muscle still connected to the knee. Here's the bad leg. That's all about as high as I can get it, but I don't know if you can see that there's nothing connected here. I still have that outside tendon right there. I don't know if you can see that well, but it's connected still, but there's nothing here. So that's the reason I'm doing this, because I've lost a lot of quality of life over this. Let's say there's a lot of things I just haven't been able to do over the year. Walk, run, my kids, go to the gym like I was able to do, get this weight off me. So part of my series is showing the surgery afterward, and then probably as a month-to-month basis on my recovery. I watched a lot of videos already, just kind of like build my confidence up about this. And I've noticed that between smaller guys and bigger guys, recovery time is different. Usually heavier people take a little bit longer to recover, which obviously I'm a heavier guy, so we'll see how this process goes, and I'll be shooting these frequent videos to hopefully help somebody else build their confidence, or wanting more information about this. I do the best I can. But that's it for this morning. Thanks, and I'll see you later.